while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not seen me before, hello, my name is nnai-na, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us again. In today's video, I created this nice pink winged out cut crease look with like a very thick liner, and I created it with the Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette, which, if you do not know, is a dupe for the James Charles x Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'll try and leave like a picture of the James Charles one just so you can compare them side to side. Just hold it here for a thumbnail. This is like a really nice dupe for it. I know it's missing like a row here. I think it's missing like orangey yellow and like a row for some other blues here. The actual pans are smaller as well, especially the middle row. They're the same size as the rest. It was £9 guys from Amazon, and it came in 2 days. It's more practical to carry instead of lugging something that looks like a MacBook Air. I mean, I'm not hating on it. If you don't like, give me your own. If there are any eyeshadow suggestions you have for me to create using this eyeshadow palette, like in this purpley blue area, and then something burgundy as well. So if you have like, you know, like a red glitter cut crease, angle eye, you know, acute angle triangle, something, just write a comment down below and I'll try my best to get to it. Okay, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so much. I'll link a few of my other videos in the iCard above here, so you can just go through my video playlist and just watch a few things. I don't have that much. People need to help me, like constructive criticism. That's all I need to improve. Help me help you, okay? So that when I'm sitting down here talking nonsense, I actually look good. Not when I'll be talking nonsense, eyelash is dangling. It's not good. Do you understand? You'll be laughing at me. It's not good. Alright? If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. And let's get straight into this tutorial. We're going to just play around with makeup. It's been ages since I recorded. I'm going to be using this Color Studio eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed. It's a dupe for the James Charles x Morphe eyeshadow palette. Look at that. This was £9. I don't have the James Charles palette, unfortunately, because it's sold out everywhere. Like, I have been waiting. I think I'll put like a side-by-side picture. I have this and I'll put like the James Charles palette on the other side of my face so you can see that. Granted, I think the James Charles palette will be a lot more pigmented. We have to give them that. This yellow is very difficult to find, like a pigmented yellow. Just look at my finger already. It doesn't have the matte red, which is what I was really looking forward to. It has like this pinky looking red. This skip is what's just calling my name. Let me just try and swatch that. It's so creamy and buttery. Guys, look at my finger. Come on, £9. Not even £10, but £9. I think I'll swatch this bronzy color, and they are so buttery to the touch. My finger. I think I'll swatch this purple. Then I think I'll swatch this bright blue right here. So these are the colors right here. Look how bright this blue is. It looks almost neon on camera, but it's not that neon. I'm going to clean my fingers with the wipes. Then I'll go ahead and do my face. To prime my face, I'm using an e.l.f. hydrating face primer. I think my next primer would be the NYX Angel Veil face primer, just to have like a variety. This e.l.f. primer smells amazing. It really does have a hydrating effect. There's a lot of texturing going on around here, and I hate it because when I highlight, it picks it up and it makes it look so weird. I'm going to just try and put a lot of primer to hide my pores. For foundation, my plan is to mix my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Mocha with my NYX Stay Matte Not Flat in the shade Deep Olive. I'm going to squeeze about 2 dollops of each foundation on the back of my hand and mix them all together. My Stay Matte is always wet. It's just water pouring out. I'm taking a brush and applying the foundation on my face. My think the fact that they're both NYX, they complement each other a lot. The Mocha, in my opinion, matches me more as far as shade is concerned, while the Stay Matte Not Flat has this golden olive tone to it. So mixing them both together not only like helps the colors complement each other, it also helps the foundations complement each other. So it's like getting the best of a matte foundation but still being a bit dewy. I have a problem finding my exact foundation shade due to many shades on my face, a lot of hyperpigmentation around my mouth. My neck is a bit lighter, my face is a bit darker, so where do I match it to? Do I match it to my mouth? Do I match it to my forehead? Do I match it to my neck? Do I match it to my chest is so light. It just depends on how I feel that day. Foundations with the same shade name could be like as different as light and day. Beauty companies see my skin tone to be like deep dark or like their darkest foundation range, when there are people as dark as Nima Tang and like a lot of people that are darker than me. Imagine if you are Mocha, you are Mocha everywhere. You just go into any foundation line and just pick a Mocha. Wouldn't that make shopping so easy? When you're shopping for foundation, you're solving maths. Okay, if MAC NC 45 during the winter but not really a 45 because I highlight with a 22, and then Maybelline 350 but it's a 350 during the like you see us solving maths and everything, mixing this and mixing that. But then if I not highlight with my concealer, maybe I don't need to contour since the foundation is so dark. Maybe I use a yellow concealer to bring out the blue undertones and bring out I'm liking how it looks. I'm loving the coverage. It's like a very full coverage. I'm using my NYX HD concealer in the shade Nutmeg. This is more of like it's more of a neutrally concealer compared to like the goldenness of LA Girl Fawn. I'm tired of doing the exact same routine, especially with my foundation. If you mess up the base, the whole makeup look is messed up. You can have shitty eyeshadow, but you put lashes and an eyeliner and it looks good. But with your base, you need to be very careful. So I don't tend to change things up. I'm sorry, but I still want a little bit of that goldenness. A little on my forehead as well, just to give it a little bit of this. I don't know, I just love fawn. It has this goldenness to it. And I'm using Makeup Revolution beauty sponge. I want to give it like a minute just to settle in. One thing I hate, like I completely hate, is like when you're blending in your concealer and it starts lifting up your foundation. It does that under my jaw a lot and I hate that. For a little bit of a highlight, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 16, and I know it's quite bright, so that's why I just want like a dot under each eye just for like a more intense highlight. Camera makes it look so white. In person it's more of like a yellow. It's almost like a corrector. And I'm loving how it's blending. It's blending just seamlessly. I don't know if it's like the foundation underneath or if it's the concealer itself. As usual, I'm going to be contouring with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. When I contour, it brings up more of a contrast because I like having a contrast in my face. I don't like everything just being one color. Then I'm blending that in with my Sigma Flare Kabuki brush in F80. What I need is like a detail Kabuki brush because this one is almost like for foundations. It's quite wide. It's quite difficult to blend out contour without making it look like you just put a line of dark eyeshadow there. But I also don't want it to be running everywhere so it looks muddy. I'm going back in with the foundation sponge to blend everything together so that there are no harsh lines. I'm setting under my eyes with Sacha Buttercup setting powder and a powder puff. And it's a really big powder puff that I got from Amazon. Just quickly under my eyes before it creases again. I love using the puff for beating the powder in without leaving like a residue. So it's like baking without actually baking. I'm setting the rest of my face with whatever is left on the powder puff, just gently going over everything. Then to contour, I'm taking my Sunkissed Giant Bronzer in the shade Dark. For a bit of color, I'm going to my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and this pink shade. And I'm using a Morphe brush. It doesn't really have a name. It came in a set and it's just like an angled blending brush. That's the face done for now. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush with this skip color. On camera it almost looks purple, but trust me, it's like this bright neon pink. So first of all, I prime my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 2. I'm just going to go with an angled brush for more precise application. And to catch the fallout, I put a lot of loose pad under my eyes, but I'm trying to swoop it out at the end because that's the kind of cut crease we're going for. This is neon. This is such a bright pink. I'm patting the product in first of all because I want it to be as pigmented as possible. And I'm trying to get it above my crease a little bit so that when I open my eyes you can still see the pink. So I'm happy with the shape. I'm just trying to wing it out a little. I was really concerned that they were going to come off patchy because that's the risk with a lot of very bright eyeshadows, but this doesn't seem to be the case, and for £9 I'm really satisfied. I'm just focusing on the shape right now and then winging it out. Now that I like how they look, I'm going to go in with the same brush and just sort of applying the product but still blending it out a little bit. I'm going in with a Morphe 213 brush, tiny detailer brush, and I'm going in with this like pinky brownie, I don't know, I'm not good with colors, but this one right here. And I'm almost sort of outlining where I'm going to cut my crease with the concealer. And I'm blending that out with a Morphe E17. So I cut my crease with P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 2 and it mixed with the neon pink to create this sort of peachy pink lid, and I'm really liking how it looks. I just like how the eyeshadow is just flowing this way instead of just looking huge like this. Looking at the James Charles palette, I'm really liking this baby pink eyeshadow. It's a shimmer actually, so I think that's what I'll try and pack on my lid. Yeah, that looks nice. I love using my fingers to pack on shimmer colors. I feel the warmth of my finger helps blend them in. I'm taking a Morphe M213 eyeshadow brush and I'm going back to the very bright neon pink. I'm going to buff that under my eyes. This is just a little thing to connect the top and the bottom eyelids together. So that is the Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette. The outside doesn't really do it justice. The inside is so freaking beautiful. I don't like this monotone red. I mean, the packaging and everything is cute, but I just don't like the color. You can see that it's a cheap eyeshadow because the construction was really rushed. You can see the magnets popping out from the edge. You can see the corner of like the cardboard sheet they glued on. You can see the two magnets here. For my liquid liner, I use both the Makeup Revolution eyeliner and the NYX Vinyl eyeliner. I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Extra Black mascara. For highlighter, I'm using the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter in gold, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades. I think I'm going to try a few lip combos today. So I'm going to use my favorite lip combo first, which is NYX liquid liner in the shade Plum to line my lips. Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks in 50 Voyager and 112 Composer. So this is Voyager and this is Composer. Voyager has this berry red look to it, while Composer is more of like a grungy purple. I've swatched it on my hand and I'll swatch like the other two options on my hand and compare and contrast. This isn't bad at all, like I am not mad at it. I ended up using a combination of my Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in Glory and my BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Gulianna, and that's what's on my lips together. This is the finished look. I did put on my wig because I was really feeling my fold. I don't leave it looking like Dada or I wear my wig, so you choose. Thank you. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so much. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much, and leave a like on this video. Ring the bell icon so you get notified anytime and every time I make a new upload or I upload a new video. You want me to do cockroach, you want me to draw zip or I draw masquerade, I'll draw everything. Just write the comment down below and I'll try my best to get to it, okay? If you have any other suggestions or recommendations or, critical analysis, you don't like my brows, tell me. Like, I want us to bond on this channel. I want us to talk. This channel is for everyone. It's not just for me. You guys talk to me, give suggestions. Like, please don't be too mean, because people on the internet like to get, don't be too mean. Just, maybe next time I clean my lips or make this eyebrow thinner than this or something like that. Little criticisms. I want to grow my makeup journey. That's why I started a YouTube channel, so I can task myself, because it makes me practice. If I'm uploading to the internet for other people to see, I will try and put my best work out there. I won't do something just mediocre, and it's helping me have a discipline and just practice and sit down, do things I normally wouldn't do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.